everyone and welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson, and today we're going to be learning how to use the phrase used to talk about repeated actions in the past. So we use the present simple for repeated actions and habits. I drink coffee every day, twice a day, twice a week, every morning, or I play tennis once a week after school on Saturday. And remember, we use the continuous verb tense for actions happening now. I'm eating a hamburger now. And the past continuous is for an action that was happening in the past. I was reading a book. So this is Ryan 10 years ago and today. So 10 years ago, he says, I like wearing sports clothing. I don't like vegetables. I drink pop. I go to clubs on the weekend. I go to school. I play basketball. Now, he says, I wear suits, I eat a lot of vegetables, I don't drink pop, I relax on the weekend, I have long hair, I work in an office, and I don't play basketball. So we use used to for repeated actions in the past. The action does not happen now. So for example, Ryan used to wear sports clothes, but now he wears suits and ties. And the sentence structure is the subject plus used to plus the verb and then the remainder of the sentence. So I used to speak a little English. You used to go to college. He used to play computer games. She used to work in a hospital. It used to rain a lot in winter. We used to take vacations at the beach, and they used to listen to hip hop. So what did Brian used to do? So he used to play basketball now, but he doesn't play basketball anymore. He used to like wearing sports clothing, but he wears suits now. He didn't used to like vegetables, but now he eats a lot of vegetables. He used to go to clubs on the weekend, but now he relaxes on the weekend. He used to go to school, now he works in an office. He used to drink pop, but now he doesn't drink it. So in these sentences, you're going to either use used to or the present simple. So go ahead and pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. When I was young, I used to fight with my sister. Rodrigo used to listen to rock music, but now he listens to classical music. Naveen and Pratap used to enjoy taking holidays in the south of India, but now they travel to Europe. When Alexander was at university, he used to study hard. I used to live by myself, but now I share a house with friends from college. Amira and Vigo used to play all the time at school. Now they are married. My son actually used to share, maybe. My son used to play computer games, but now, finally, he reads books. When they were at school, Nika and Thomas used to play in the school orchestra. When I was young, I used to work very hard. These days, I spend less time at the office. Yusuf used to play a lot of team sports. Now he exercises in the gym. So what did they used to do? So Greta used to play tennis. Now she plays piano. Andreas used to go to school. Now he goes to college. Kian used to hate vegetables. Now he eats healthy food. And Ross and Esme used to fight a lot. Now they are best friends. So again, we use the present simple for general repeated situations and states and actions. So I am happy. She has long hair. Madrid is the capital of Spain, which is a state. And Kader walks to school, which is an action. And we do not generally use continuous tenses with state verbs. So you would say, I'm tired, but not I am being tired. I was tired. I was reading a book. So which are states and which are actions? We often use to be and to have with states, but not always. To be hungry, to have short hair, to be excited, to be energetic, to have breakfast, to sleep, to listen, to work, to ride a bike. We also use used to for states in the past. So I used to play football once a week. So that's a repeated action in the past. I used to have black hair, which is a state in the past. So now you're going to use used to for states and actions. Okay, and you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. The children used to be young, but now they are adults. Bora used to be overweight, but now he is slim. Mateo and Ingrid used to have a large house, but now they live in an apartment. Now I feel happy, but I used to be unhappy. Axel used to be naughty, but these days he is a polite young man. My uncle used to be in the army, but now he is retired. When Livia was at school, she used to be in trouble every day. Before I went to a therapist, I used to be depressed. Now I feel better. We always are on time. Oh, no, sorry. We used to be on time. We always used to be on time, but these days we are always late. We use used to for things that were true in the past but are not true anymore. Rio de Janeiro used to be the capital of Brazil, but now it is Brasilia. It used to rain a lot when I was young, but these days there is never much rain. There used to be a park on this street, but now there is an office building in its place. And Sachin used to be very unfriendly, but these days he is much nicer to everyone. Again, complete the sentence with used to and be. So Auckland used to be the capital of New Zealand, but now it is Wellington. There used to be a lake here when I was young. French used to be a world language, but today English is the only global language. It used to be cheap to buy a house in this neighborhood, but now it is more expensive. And then we have the negative form, didn't used to. So it's subject, didn't, used to, verb, and the rest of the sentence. So you notice here we have used to and not used to. Say, I didn't used to speak so loudly. You didn't used to go running. He didn't used to play computer games. And then the question form, you use did plus the subject plus used to plus the verb and then the rest of the sentence. Did she used to work in that office? Did it used to snow here? Did we used to stay at that hotel? Now make sentences or questions. You can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So he didn't used to listen to rock music. Did she used to work at the museum? He didn't used to have a car. Oops. Used to, not used to. Did they used to teach at the school? Change the sentences from positive to negative. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. The first one is done for you. He used to work at the supermarket. He didn't used to work at a supermarket. Okay. She didn't used to drive us to school every day. Max didn't used to travel to France twice a year. And here we didn't used to spend our weekends at the lake. When I was young, Lottie didn't used to be my babysitter. Make some questions. Did we used to go dancing at the club? Did that factory used to make a lot of women's clothing? Did Mr. Watson used to give us homework on Monday? Did they used to walk home from school in summer? And did people used to have more children? Now you could make some sentences with used to and a suitable verb. So did John used to be in prison? Did Kathy used to study French? And used to play tennis? Steffi and Ravi used to live in London. David used to play volleyball. Gustav used to travel to a lot of countries. Adelaide used to do yoga. And Enrique used to eat unhealthy food. So what has changed? There used to be a park, and now there is an office building. There used to be dry land or lots of trees. Now the land is bare. There used to be open space. Now there are lots of buildings. There used to be a lot of crops, and now there are empty fields. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave comments, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.